There have been major breakthroughs in research on genetics and tremendous attempts to relate these breakthroughs to clinical findings. One of the areas that appears particularly promising is the use of polygenic risk scores. These measures quantify a relatively broad genetic risk assessed at the molecular level. Dickinson and colleagues examined the relationship between polygenic risk scores for schizophrenia in more than 1,000 individuals, including both patients with schizophrenia, their relatives, and healthy individuals. And the main insight to come out of the report is to show us that there is a particularly strong relationship between genetic risk for schizophrenia and aspects of cognition. Such research should stimulate us to think more about the ways in which both genetics and cognition can be clinically useful. We've known for some time that the duration of untreated psychosis in patients with schizophrenia is a concerning factor. This factor identifies patients who are likely to exhibit particularly troubling clinical courses. While this observation has been found many times, there are questions about the origins of this observation. And Jonas and colleagues provide new data on helping us understand this association. Their findings suggest that some of this relationship might reflect what is called a lead time bias. And what this bias does is it introduces artifacts into the relationship between a variable such as untreated psychosis and long-term outcome. The important thing for us to take away from the article is it should make us rethink the clinical implications of this well-replicated finding linking untreated psychosis to worse long-term outcomes.